We share this planet with creatures and forces beyond our control, but sometimes we catch them in the act. These are 10 terrifying, jaw-dropping and unbelievable moments where nature showed us who's boss, and we were lucky enough to capture it on camera. One bear breaks into cabin and drinks 50 cans of beer. Real story from Norway. In 2004, in the remote woods of Norway, a family returned to their cabin to find the door broken in, furniture destroyed, and 50 empty beer cans scattered around. The culprit? A brown bear, drunk out of its mind. Security footage caught it rooting through the fridge and knocking over chairs like a rowdy houseguest. Apparently, it had a taste for lager and left the cider untouched. Fact: bears have a sense of smell 7 times stronger than a bloodhound. They can smell beer from miles away. Two, the tsunami no one believed was coming. On December 26, 2004, tourists in Thailand filmed what they thought was just a strange low tide. But within minutes, the sea rose with unstoppable force. The Indian Ocean tsunami became one of the deadliest natural disasters in history. What makes this footage chilling is how calm everything seems, until it isn't. Fact: this tsunami killed over 230,000 people across 14 countries. Three eagle snatches a kid, almost. Viral Canadian clip. In a park in Montreal, Canada, a tourist's camera caught an unbelievable moment. A golden eagle swooping down and appearing to snatch a toddler off the ground. The child was dropped and unharmed, but the internet exploded. Was it real? CGI? A hoax? Even if fake, it revealed just how close nature can feel, especially from above. Fact: golden eagles can carry prey up to 8 pounds and have been known to attack deer. 4. Safari gone wrong. Lions turn on tourists. An open-top jeep, a pride of lions, and a guide who told the tourists to stay quiet. That advice didn't help much when one of the lions suddenly jumped onto the side of the vehicle. The clip, filmed in South Africa, shows how quickly wild animals can switch from calm curiosity to deadly focus. Fact: lions can leap over 12 feet in a single bound. Five terrifying tornado in Kansas. Family hides in basement with GoPro rolling. In 2013, a Kansas family huddled in their basement while a tornado tore through their town. Their GoPro recorded the entire event, the roar of the wind, the shaking ground, and the eerie silence after. The footage later helped meteorologists study the tornado's speed and pressure. Fact: tornado winds can exceed 300 miles per hour, stronger than any hurricane. Six alligator launches out of water at fisherman. Real reaction, raw panic. A fisherman was recording his catch when the water suddenly exploded. A bull alligator lunged just feet from him. The man's scream, followed by the sound of the alligator slapping the water, was enough to make anyone think twice about standing near the edge. Then the gator ate his catch. Fact: saltwater crocodiles are the largest living reptiles, up to 23 feet long. 7. Lightning strikes a plane mid-flight. A passenger filming a thunderstorm outside their car window caught a terrifying moment. A bolt of lightning struck the wing. The plane shook violently but stayed in the air. It's a reminder that we are literally flying through nature's most dangerous environments. And sometimes it strikes back. Fact: commercial planes are hit by lightning roughly once a year. 8. Avalanche chases skier down the mountain. A group of hikers in the Swiss Alps were filming a snow-covered ridge when they heard it. A deep rumble. Within seconds, an avalanche began cascading toward them. The footage, shaky and panicked, captures the raw terror of running from a wall of snow that moves like a freight train. Fact: avalanches can reach speeds of 80 mph within 5 seconds. Nine wolves chase skier in Alps. On a frozen trail in the Alps, a snow skier caught something terrifying in their rear camera. 2 wolves running full speed behind them. For over 2 minutes they gave chase, gaining ground. The rider only got away after hitting full throttle and racing across a frozen lake. Fact: wolves can run at over 35 miles per hour for short bursts. Tenor whale swallows male kayakers. A male kayaker gets swallowed up by a whale, then incredibly gets spat out. The video is slow-motion proof of just how massive and unpredictable whales can be. Fact: humpback whales can weigh up to 40 tons, the weight of 30 cars. Nature isn't something we control. It's something we survive, witness, and sometimes capture on film. These weren't planned or staged. They were real people with real cameras, facing the full power of the wild world we live in. So next time you're outside, maybe keep your phone handy. You never know what might happen next. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite clip below. Got your own wild nature story? Let us know. It might just end up in our next episode.